Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title is Measuring Scale Up and Scale Out Hadoop with Remote and Local File Systems and Selecting the Best Platform. So now we are going to discuss about our process abstract. So MapReduce is a popular computing model for parallel and data preprocessing on large scale dataset which can vary from gigabytes to petabytes. Through Hadoop, MapReduce normally uses Hadoop distributed file systems like HDFS local file system. It can be configured to use a remote file system. Then an interesting question is arised. For a given application, which is the best running platform among the different combinations of scale up and scale out Hadoop with remote and local file system? So however, um, there has been to previous research on how different types of application like CPU intensive and data intensive with different characteristics like inputs data set can benefit from the data platforms. So in this paper we conduct a comprehensive performance measurement of different applications on scale up and scale out clusters configurations and Hadoop distributed file system and a remote file system like orange file system. So in existing we have to consider as the orange file system respectively. So we identify and study how the different job characteristics like word count or grep, whatever it may be, or read and writes and amount of computations. So affect the performance of different applications on the different platforms. So based on the measurements results, we also propose a performance prediction model to help users select the best platform and lead to the minimum latency. So our evaluation using the Facebook or workload trace demonstrate the effectiveness of our prediction model. So this study is expected to provide a guidance for users to choose the best platform to run different applications with different characteristics in the environment that provides both remote and local file storage such as HPC clusters and cloud environment. Now we are going to discuss about our process flow diagram. So first of all we are going to start our process with NetBeans 8.2 version. The first process is dataset loading. So here we have to select the appropriate dataset for our entire process. So after dataset loading we have to make a data pre-processing. So data pre-processing is one of the data mining techniques which was used to filter the dataset properly. So here we have to neglect the redundance and irrelevance values from our dataset. It should be neglected successfully. So after pre-processing, the data should be stored into the database. So then we have to upload our file into the HDFS server. It's nothing but local file system like Hadoop distributed file system. So after uploading the file into the HDFS system, we have to made up of scale up MapReduce. So in this time we have to calculate the efficient word count for the scale up publication. Okay, after MapReducing concept we have to analyze our dataset with the help of clustering k-means algorithm, and we have to find out the frequent data. So after frequent data we have to make a scale out MapReduce, and here we have to find out the word count. So we have to find two types of word count. One was scale up MapReduce and another one is scale out MapReduce. So finally we have to show our result in the graphical manner, which was difference between the scale up MapReduce and scale down MapReduce compared with existing system and proposed system. Let's see the demo of our process. So just click home.java and give run file. So measuring scale up and scale out Hadoop with remote and local file system and best platform. So this is our title of our project. Just click that button and click browse, choose dataset. I have to take okay. So dataset should be selected. So the next process is pre-processing. So dataset loading. a dataset should be loaded. After that we have to view our dataset, preprocess dataset, and then we have to upload our file into HDFS servers. It should be loaded successfully. After that, give map and reduce. So now we have to find out the word count. So the read and write operate will be successfully running at the moment. So this is the scale up map reduce. So here we have to upload our whole file which is given to the input of our data. So now we have to find out our efficient word count with the help of Hadoop. So each and every line should be read and write operation should be made. So here I have to give large amount of data. So then only it takes some time for producing efficient word count. So we have to just wait for our map reduce. So okay, so this is our efficient word count. So this is the map and reduce output. So after map reducing, just click next button. So we have to partition our data set. Okay. So here we have to predict the earthquake. So select. So this is the deep analysis with the help of data mining techniques. So subtitles are stored and sub based, and then we have to store our result. So here we have to select any one of the attributes and classify its result, and it should be stored on the database. So the SVM count, and it should be calculated successfully, and mining results and prediction results. So this is the frequent items that we have to calculate it. So these are the data set. We have to find out the frequent data set. So after finishing the frequent item set, we have to upload our file. Okay, so it should be, so it contains the, this is the word count which was calculated by the, this is the scale out map reduce. Okay, so scale out map reduce will be calculated successfully. So this one is scale up accuracy when compared to existing. So proposed we have to use local system HDFS. The existing is orange file system. So word count result is like that. Then this is the scale down prediction. So scale down prediction is the x-axis taken as a word count and y-axis taken as a prediction. So existing is orange file system and proposed is Hadoop file system. So these are the word counts appropriate. So 4034 is the scale down map reduce application word count. So then like, so we have to calculate our results, and the performance should be evaluated successfully. So demo is completed. Thank you for watching this video.